Hello and welcome, community. Welcome to the Sky Network show. This is Sandeep Joshi here on behalf of Secure Chain AI, and we are going to be starting the show in a minute. Meanwhile, let's acknowledge everybody who has joined in. We are live on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you everyone for taking this time out. Today is going to be one of those shows which goes into the history, so stay tuned. And we are going to be seeing some great things out here. We will be um, the agenda of the show today will be showcasing the Sky Army platform as well as uh, allowing users to also interact with the platform in order to make it 100% proof. The launch date of the Sky Army is on 4th of July, but today will be the session where we'll be digging deep into each and every functionality of the platform and what and hows of um, all things you need to know about it, as simple as that. So yeah, stay tuned and give me a minute to set it up. Today it's gonna be just us. So wishing every one of you a happy hour. So happy hour starts now, and today I'm pretty excited and confident. Probably my voice might be coming a little bit low. So just give me one moment and I'll be able to figure out everything. So just be there. Okay, everyone. Hopefully now the sound is much better than previously. Yeah, let's see everybody in the chat. At least say hi if you are already present. Let's comment on the post and let's get everybody in. Let's share the final message before we start on the group as well. McNeil, if you are already here, could you please put up message in the group? Okay, there we go. Just one moment. Okay, there we go. All right, I can see everybody started coming in. Hello, Terence. Thank you for joining in and taking this time out. All right, everyone who's already here, please feel free to put up a message. And also let me open up the text messages here so I can keep okay. All right, so far I don't see that we have any messages. If we have any messages, feel free to put it in. Okay, there's only one message. Okay, that is from Dynamics. Thank you, Dynamics. If you are still here, say hi. And let's get started. Let me share the screen so you guys can see the Sky Army platform. Also, let me add a link here so you guys can. Okay, there we go. We should have a QR. There you go. We have a QR code here, so you can scan this QR code and go to this website. Meanwhile, let me remove this part and also hide myself. Okay. I think so far so good. Let me take this QR code here and hide the logo for a minute. Yeah. There we go, guys. Skyarmy.com is available for everyone to start working, start experiencing the flavor of the community driven network. And this is something really amazing. It might take some time for everybody to get used to it, understand it much more better, and for us also to fine tune it up to the mark that it is available for every network. And on Sky network, it is the bread and butter of the Sky network. And I am thinking that this is something which will lead the utility of secure chain AI network in general. So really excited about it, and that I can see that everything is good. No new messages. Feel free to put a message, guys. It goes a long way. Share the post if you are watching, and let your friends also know that what kind of community you are part of, right? And end of the day, that is what this project is all about. The project is nothing without the community, and everything we are building so far is for the community. And it is built to solve the problems of the community, right? So here you can see that this one project which has been already created by me to test everything, and everything is good and green and everything is super smooth. Again, still as this is in beta, expect that. Here you can see the warning. My army is currently in beta. We are currently actively testing and improving the app, so the features may change. For example, this menu bar you are seeing here would be gone in the by the production version. There will be some any small mistakes here and there. Feel free to point them out in the group, and that will be also taken care of. But before we go there, I would like to give all of you guys a very brief discount. But we'll only start this once we have at least 30 more people on the call. So let's get everybody started. Come on, let's share the link to the group, to your friends. Yeah, Terence, your question is valid, and it is available. So for now, like right now, if you want to do, you can simply just import your key onto the MetaMask. But the new version is already in progress, and the patch has been created. We'll update you in the next week's show, but for sure, update is on the way. So it won't be more than a week for sure. Okay, sorry to take that question in between. We'll be taking the question at the end of the show. But for now, just one more minute and let everybody join in, because I can see that still we are missing some familiar faces. And I would expect, if you are already here, feel free to say hi in the chat, whether if you are on the Facebook or YouTube, or if you are on the X. Just say hello. You can post a message on the post where this particular space was shared. If you don't have that, let me put it in the chat here. All right. Meanwhile, one very simple question. Everybody, my voice is coming good. Um, either is there any voice breaking or you know, not? If anything, nothing not working, feel free to let me know so we can start. Yeah, Kirtu, the staking rewards issue is being resolved. It is already resolved, and now with this SCAI platform, we are going to be bringing the trade and staking functionality on the platform as well for the tokens which are being created here. So that is something great. Here you can see that this particular sale will end on the 4th of July, 2 p.m. UTC. Okay, my voice is good again. All right, let's see what we can create out of it. Okay. All right, Kirtu, yes, analytics platform is also ready and live actually. Let me share this tab instead. As you can see, this is the decentralized analytics platform where a user can see the each and every detail on the DEX sky.exchange, all the trades, all the accounts which are holding Sky, basically the accounts which are holding the liquidity tokens of that particular pair. Here you can see that so many of them are owned by the dead wallet because with the if the tokens are created by the platform, the 70% of the uh, like raised amount is locked and the liquidity tokens are burnt. So in order to safeguard the community from rug pull. So yeah, um, sorry we got distracted a little bit, but yeah, that is what analytics platform is, and it is already live. It is on analytics.securechain.ai. Okay. Any other questions, team? Feel free to put it in the chat. Also, let's create the conversation, because conversations are so powerful that they can, you know, create an opportunity for everybody to learn something new. It's not just about one person. If you know it, also sometimes it gives you a new perspective on the particular topic being discussed. So feel free to put questions. No worries. Okay, sorry, Kirito, I didn't get your question fully regarding deck screener, right? So yes, for that particular scenario, we are going into the partnership with one platform, which is like Coin Market Cap, called Bit Market Cap, and that is where all the tokens which are being created on the secure chain AI will automatically get listed, and it would also provide a good details about all kind of information for the tokens which are built on Sky Network. Also, they are building multi-chain decks, so yeah, secure chain will also be part of that. So, but again, it is a partnership. We'll announce it in the upcoming time. So stay tuned. It will be announced officially on the secure chain AIX. Meanwhile, let's get started with building one token so everybody can understand. Okay, let's go with the 100 supply so we can understand faster. So as soon as you just click on the create token, you would get a transaction request in your wallet. Once you confirm it, the token deployment will start. Automatically, smart contract will be created. So here we can see. So here on the Explorer, we can see that latest transaction. Okay. Shanghai Maglev is different project created on the Sky Network. Here you can see. Okay. And here we can see that the token has been created. Right. We can start the deep fair launch here. Okay, so the launch has waiting for token creator action. So token has been is being created. Yeah. Okay, seems like Dev is working on it. Yeah, it's basically we have been busy working on this platform to the last whole week has gone in fine tuning and doing the security review and going through all the hoops and loops to get around. Code is ready for everyone to start working. For example, if any project has already been created, you can simply just contribute. Also, the launch of this platform is on 4th of July. So right now, it is still in develop like beta version. You can say that there will be changes onto the platform now. So do not put more sky onto that, and you know, let's just wait it out. But I want you guys to start using it with small amount. Like you can do the transaction with 0.001 sky also, right? There's nobody saying no for that, but this will allow you to learn and test the whole platform through and through and participate in the safer environment to use your sky, because this is going to be one of the very big utility for secure chain in the future, and I'm pretty sure that you don't want to miss it out, right? So yeah, make sure to do that. And okay, as you can see that the deployment is in progress again. Let's hope that it works out well. Otherwise, developer will hear a little bit from me. Okay, great. The token got created successfully. Okay. Okay, to start the fair launch part is not working, I think. Okay, we'll fix that issue. Basically, here we get the start fair launch option where you can start the fair launch, and once the fair launch has started, total sky collected is visible here. Sky burnt, which is by 5% of the sky gets burnt, will get burned here. Liquidity in the sky total, which is there in the token. Also, tokens added to liquidity, because 70% of the total collected sky will be put in the liquidity, and LP tokens will be burnt. That is also a very useful feature which allows the peace of mind to each and every community member who has put their sky in these tokens to you know make sure that nobody, like, it does not become untradable, like like how it happened with the AI thing, right? So we should definitely not want them to happen again, and that is the whole reason we had to come up with an idea to build this form as soon as possible and super fast, while making sure that it does make sure to get everything working. All right, also, once the fair launch is completed, The platform opens up for the trading. uh, you can trade your tokens here. Also, you can trade your tokens on Sky.network, which is our decentralized exchange. So it will automatically gets added to the Skydex, and there also you can trade and utilize these tokens in multiple different ways. Also, there is an option to stake these tokens as well. So, for example, instead of staking your Sky, you can choose any of the project you like, which again, these tokens are like the projects which will come on the Sky Army will not be created by us. It will be created by the community itself, right? But what we can provide is a safeguard on the process and on the smart contract side, where the malicious smart contracts are not coming in. The second, the liquidity is locked and burnt, and with the launchpad, whatever has been created, whatever the Sky which are raised, does not go into the circulation just for dumping purposes, like what happened with the Nara. So that is the main reason behind building this platform. And again, this is just the first version which we have built in record breaking time. So it would take a little bit more time to perfect it. But hey, that's the work. Sky, whatever it takes to take the Sky to the next level, we are ready to do it. And community is supporting us. That is the only reason we are able to do it as well. So let's acknowledge it each other, and let's make sure that we go a long way with this project. There's also one more announcement. Give me 1 minute. Okay. There's also one great announcement actually that I'll not share now, but yeah, hello everyone. I'm back again. Sorry for the disconnection. Let's see if I can get the screen back up super fast.